the lotto. My motto, roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone here. This ain't even what I call plan. Don't know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like I'm Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the criminal club.
So we are heading to Matia.
Baby, you know I'm the plug, right? I'm gonna say that it's gonna be a long night.
Taking the Matia road, we will turn up to Brahmaputra toward the Brahmaputra bank.
Yeah, never an average night. 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype. Even if we break at night, and even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chill up with mine, we triple up, they on the double up, triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up, they loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but ain't the cup is up. Toast to my people that's wanna come up, make you live with us. Ain't all about the trick of us. Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing, yeah, the cup is running over. Tangled wave up in the ocean.
We gon' turn the criminal club live. Hennessy and put a screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? I'm feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Yeah, we have reached the Sicilian temple. Zabi, Piderat. Huh? Zabi? So no, so. The committee of this temple taking 20 rupees per bike, so my friends are not willing to go inside to look at the monuments. At the right take, they will be going toward Brahmaputra riverbank.
Get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. You and I, only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around.
The author of this bank is turning rivers.
But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
guys, happy Independence Day to all of you. It's been 74 years since India got freedom from British, and we have made a little tour toward Gwalpara. Actually, we wanted to go to Sinma Falls to Meghalaya in Salang, but unfortunately the police couldn't allow us to go inside there because they have made something like lockdown for the tourists from Assam, so we couldn't go there. And for the day we have come to make a video. Yeah, this is mighty Brahmaputra rivers bridge Naranaran Situ here, Narayan Situ, and this is some old ship. So guys, I'm coming closer to the lotus. Oh my God. There, that is Narayan Situ Bridge. Ito ang tangin doon. Ngayon mga ito kita na kaya itu di bagian pilot bulu ko ya, dia pilot ko malo. So on this day of independence of India, we have done a little travel to this Narayan Situ Bridge. So guys, so many people have come here. Jangan ready. Oh ini jangan. Is there a railway track down there? Under this bridge? Railway line is in here. Yeah, railway come. There are a couple. So we have dropped here for taking some selfie photos.